everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi here from Paro's Craftology. Today we'll be going through this process video of making this dark and grungy mixed media project. For the project I am using this old MDF blank which has some worn out kind of edges, which is perfect for my project, some resin embellishments, some MDF embellishments, etc. And these are actually some journal stickers that I have, mug shots and shades of blue. Now let's start the project. To start off, I am applying a layer of gesso, black gesso from Craft Angles on all over the planks and the embellishments and everything that I'm using here. Next up, to add some texture, I am using Craft Angles stencil, vintage ledger, and to add texture I am using asphalt texture paste. This is black sand, again from Craft Angles. I repeat the same process on the opposite side. Once dried, it looks like so. Now to add some vintage look to it, I am adding some vintage sticker rolls. So these are some of the new additions in Craft Angle journal supplies. So I just wanted to show you that it is not just in journals that you can easily use them in mixed media projects like these as well. Now the hero of this project would be patina effect base. These are a set of 4 and comes in the shade dark blue, light blue, mint green and metallic. Now let's start the composition. So I start arranging from the center because this is where I want to start and yeah, I'm just going about adding my elements the way I want it. As you can see, it's a vertical alignment because we have a blank that's almost vertical, so I want a composition that goes pretty well with that. Now these molds that I'm using here are from Prima Redesign. The names of the molds are Rusted Pipelines and I think Skull and Bones. All these molds are available with Handmade HNDMD website, so you may check them out. And if you're interested in direct links, you may check out the blog that we have where we link each and every products that we use in our projects. So yeah, so while setting my composition, I'm just trying where to position my elements based on the photographs that will be used later. So that's why you see me keep that particular photo there, and I'm just trying to build around that. So what I have in mind is a very dark, gloomy, grungy kind of a mixed media art project. I was so fascinated with these photographs or these journal stickers that were recently released by Craft Angles. So yeah, that's where the inspiration comes from, the mug shots. Here you can see that once everything was dried or all components were stuck properly, I moved on to the patina effect base. So I am applying them in layers. The first color that goes in is the dark blue shade. The second layer that goes in is the light blue one. So the one that I was using previously was the light blue one. And the third shade that goes in is the mint green one. Now, people who have used patina effect paste would know how much of an aesthetic look it gives, right? And now, what is special about this particular set of craft angles patina effect paste is that this is a new formulation, so this has a longer shelf life and the application is very much easier, and overall it's way better than what we had previously. So do check them out if you like to create your own aesthetic uh, projects, right? The last one, see, the first three layers I do not mind them getting mixed up a bit here and there because it looks very natural that way. But before applying the metallic, I ensure that all the layers are actually dry, and then I go in with a metallic one. This is because I wanted to stand out. I want the shine to be seen separate, because that is how patina effect is, right? So yeah, after we covered all the layers of patina effect paste, this is how it looks. And the last step here is adding our mug shots. So I decided to layer them up like so. And for the sentiment, I'm using travel sentiment one, and I took daring adventure. Every photo has a story, and this is the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process video. Till we meet again, it's Parvathi signing off. Bye bye.